If you don't have enough yourself, you can't truly help others.
In life, when we say things feel difficult, it's often because we're not able to live according to our true will. To live well, we need to study, not just academics, but to study ourselves, study nature, and study people. This is the true foundation of life. When we do this sincerely, the energy of heaven and earth will naturally begin to support us. If you're going through financial hardship, it might be life's way of keeping things in check, to help you stay humble around others. But if you continue to assert your own thinking and present yourself as more capable than those who are better off, life holds back its support for a reason. When you see someone living with financial ease, take a moment to reflect and humbly ask yourself, why haven't I been given a life like that? This truth must be faced honestly. It's not about intelligence. If you lack something, there is a reason you cannot enjoy what others do. Only when you acknowledge and accept this can the path begin to open for you. But if you're still confused and don't yet understand how the universe works, it simply cannot be given to you. Those without financial strength must first focus on rebuilding themselves. And even if you have a certain capacity, if life holds you back, it is so you turn inwards and study yourself more deeply. It's teaching you to recognize and respect even those you might consider insignificant. Our true study must be of people, learning how to live harmoniously with those who come into our lives. Only then will nature begin to support us with real strength. If power is given to someone who hasn't done this inner work, they'll only bring confusion and disorder to society. Heaven helps those who help themselves. You don't need to beg or pray. If you live by the right teachings and sincerely strive to build yourself up, nature will provide everything you need.
Key teaching points. 1. True study goes beyond academics. Real learning is about studying yourself, nature, and the people in your life, the foundation for a supported life. 2. Without means, you cannot help others. Lacking financial strength is life's way of teaching humility and self-rebuilding. 3. Humility unlocks abundance. When you let go of pride and reflect sincerely, life opens the path forward.